Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today, I just want to share with you na if you want to travel from Cagayan de Oro, Laging Dingan Airport, pwede palang iwan ang sasakyan dito sa airport if ever um, travel kayo ng ilang araw. Pwedeng iwan dito sa sa airport ang car nyo. So pagdating dun sa may guard, sabihin nyo lang na iwan nyo ang sasakyan nyo, tapos sabihin nyo kung ilang araw, tapos yung kung magkano ang babayaran is ngayon is 168 pesos per day. Tapos babayaran nyo lang yun pag pag balik nyo na, pag nakauwi na kayo. So yun, I just wanna share that info. So ayan, we're here at Laguindingan Airport. So comfortable naman na kayo mag-travel. You don't have to commute kung may may sasakyan. You don't have to worry kasi safety naman. Madaming guard, nagbabantay. Ang daming ang mga taong nag-iwan ng mga nila dito mga sasakyan. So thank you so much. I hope nakatulong ang video na ito. Goodbye. Tadan, we're going at Laguindingan Airport, going to Manila. So I'll be spending 7 days there. So we are gonna leave the sasakyan here for 7 days. So yun na. So that's the entrance. And this is my cutie pie. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching.